So up top, again, this is a triangular prism, and now they're doing a cross section across here. So we're gonna have this side here, we're gonna have this side coming down, we're gonna have this coming across, so this will be a triangle again. Right? This is gonna come across a sphere. It's just like if we cut the globe in half and looked, or cut an orange in half and then looked, and what would we see if we look at it flat on? That would be just a circle. And here, it looks like you might get a triangle, but you're just getting a cross section. You're cutting it straight off, and then you're looking at that flat surface, and that would be a rectangle. I think that's right. Okay, last one. All right, here we go. We got a cross section across. What's going to come out? We cut this off, and we're going to get a perfect rectangle right there. This one is going to be a triangle. So again, if we have our cylinder, these two sides are going to form the triangle. This is going to come across like this, and we're going to get just that nice triangle there. And last but not least, a cylinder, just like cutting a can of Coke straight in half and then looking at that shape, and that's going to be a perfect circle.